Studios. Now, with gyms, yoga and dance studios and indoor pools across the Coast making preparations to reopen following those announcements we just heard there, reporter Melissa Martin spoke with Coast Health Club owner Duncan Marchant about what it felt like to hear that they could be back in business after a 10-week shutdown.
Excitement and jubilation. We understand that there are some restrictions around us reopening, but we can work around those restrictions, no problem at all.
So how have you been operating or changing the way you operate during the last 2.5 months?
Yeah, look, I guess when we first got closed down, it was obviously a really big shock. We had just spent the last few weeks spending lots and lots of money and lots of time on having our health club pretty much COVID safe. We had to use that word that's been overused, pivot our business. We've been able to, luckily we've got fantastic trainers and instructors. We've kept them all employed and they have been able to provide a whole bunch of content for our members online.
And you also hired out some of your equipment?
Yeah, we did straight away. That was probably one of the biggest requests from all of our members was to hire out the equipment. So we didn't actually charge anyone more for the equipment hire. People wanted to continue to pay their membership anyway because they wanted to support the club. They wanted the club to be open. Whenever we got to reopen, they didn't want us to go broke.
That's a pretty amazing attitude of your members.
Yeah, look, we're pretty blessed. The club is a real community. Everybody here is really close. When we closed down that day, I still think back to that midday when we shut down. We had members in tears all over the place. We obviously had staff members in tears as well, but, we had members in tears because we are the third place for a lot of people. They have their home, they have their work, and then they have their health club.
And so how will you have to change your operations when you do get to open the doors in a couple of weeks?
I did a survey out to the members maybe a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, which gave us fantastic feedback. And one of the big responses was that, yes, they want to get back into the club, and obviously the vast majority of people want to get back in and start exercising as soon as they possibly can. But there's also a whole range of people that have said that they would like to keep an online option, and a whole range of people that would like to keep an online option as well as the in-club memberships.
And obviously gyms already required quite a bit of cleaning, but will that change again and heighten again once you reopen?
Yeah, we just had Rapid Clean in here not long ago, and they were putting in all of the hand sanitizer stations. They were putting in more gym wipes. We have spray bottles with Chuck's wipes. So we've got a whole range of different systems which are part of our COVID safety plan.
So you don't think there'll be any long-term adverse effects on the industry?
Look, some people think there is. I'm a pretty positive person. I don't think there is. I think, look, could we have done without 10 weeks of no income or minimal income? Yes, absolutely. There's no doubt that financially it's going to set us back. It will probably could set us back 5 or 6 years.
So have you estimated how much that shutdown has cost?
Yeah. So in round figures, for those 10 weeks, our income was down 92% on what it would have otherwise been during that time. It's not a rosy situation. It's just a situation that we need to go back to and work hard. But we've been there before. We've had businesses before that have gone through terrible floods. We've lost our house in the Canberra bushfires. There's a whole range of different things that we've been through in life. So another box to tick of an experience, I guess.
Duncan Marchant and the Coast Health Club